Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of choosing the right business to start? It's a common feeling, especially when the possibilities seem endless and the stakes feel high. You've got skills, you've got knowledge, but where do you begin? The journey from confusion to clarity can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Stick around because in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to help you simplify your decision-making and find the perfect business idea that solves problems and pays you well. Imagine having a clear direction and a business that not only thrives, but also brings you joy and fulfillment. Step 1, make an honest assessment of your skills and knowledge. This is the foundation upon which you will build your business. Ask yourself, what am I good at? And what do I know inside out? Reflect on your experiences, your education, and even your hobbies. This can be anything: graphic design, sales, teaching, coding, or even baking. Your unique combination of skills and knowledge is your superpower. Your strengths are the foundation of your future business. They give you a competitive edge and the confidence to move forward. Next, keep it simple. Simplicity is key to clarity and execution. Too many people overcomplicate their business ideas. They get lost in the details and lose sight of the core value they can offer. Focus on one core service or product that solves a real problem. This focus will help you streamline your efforts and resources. Complexity creates confusion, but simplicity sells. A clear, straightforward offering is easier to market and easier for customers to understand. Look around you. The world is full of opportunities waiting to be seized. Problems are everywhere. Find the one you're uniquely positioned to solve. Your perspective and skills can turn a common issue into a profitable business. But here's the key. Make sure it's a problem people are willing to pay for. This ensures that your business is not only viable, but also sustainable. Think about how you can add value, save time, reduce stress, or improve people's lives. These are the kinds of solutions that people are happy to invest in. Research is crucial. It validates your idea and helps you understand your market better. Ask yourself, is there a real demand for this solution? And do the people who need it have the money to pay for it? These questions will guide you in refining your idea. No matter how good your idea is, if your target audience can't pay, you won't thrive. Financial viability is a critical component of a successful business. Let's say you're a skilled web developer. Your expertise is in high demand, but how do you channel it into a profitable business? Instead of building complex software from scratch, start by creating simple, customizable websites for small businesses. This approach is scalable and addresses a common need. It solves their visibility problem and saves them from spending thousands on large agencies. You provide a valuable service at a fraction of the cost. If you follow these steps, you'll be on your way to finding a profitable business idea tailored to your strengths. It's about aligning your skills with market needs. Don't wait. Start taking action today. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Hit the like button if this helped you, and share it with others who might benefit. Subscribe for more actionable insights, and remember, the best business is one that makes an impact and rewards your expertise. Your journey to success starts with a single step. See you in the next video. Keep pushing forward and stay inspired.